Today's project is to fix the screen door. This gets a Brian's Best Choice. This is made by Anderson Company, and you say, okay, if it's a best choice, why should I have to fix it? It's because the dog ran through it, and this is a great door. You just grab a hold of it, slide it, it latches. It's great because it doesn't swing out like a normal door, and so our soffitting is a little bit lower under this area, and with a normal door you wouldn't be able to make that swing. The top of the door would hit the soffitting. So you just press, goes right back. So if you don't want the storm door part, this is a great screen option, and I'm going to use it actually out front too on a patio door, because those patio sliding screens just don't really work. Hit that like and subscribe button. Once again, it comes with a 5-year warranty. A dog ran through it, and they actually replaced it for free. So it gets a Brian's Best Choice award. Great door, easy to put together.